Alright, you guys and gals are gonna have to forgive the mess, but I think we found a winner here. Oh yeah, we good to go now. Yes sir, yes sir. Alright, let's unbox it. Let's go through these first impressions. I'll be right back. Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of another accessory for your Smooth Q gimbal, or just gimbals in general. If you need this sort of thing, or if you're into mobile photography and you use gimbals, then you may want to consider checking this out. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the ADAI extension pole with tripod for my Smooth Q gimbal. And like I said, this is a universal extension pole with tripod that will work on any gimbal. Alright? So, story time. So if y'all were wondering, you got another accessory? I'm going to tell y'all why I got this one. So y'all already know why I got the Ulanzi extender here, because I wanted to be able to mount up external microphones, okay? Because the way the gimbal is, if I tried to plug in a microphone, it would throw off the balance, okay? Other than that, so using my 3.5mm headphone jack, microphones like something like my Movo MA2010, I had a lot of issues because I'd plug it in, I'd be using it, and because it slightly throws off the balance, it will mess up everything, okay? So, couldn't use that. And I couldn't use my external microphones because then I would need to get like a tripod and have the tripod off to the side just so I can get that really good audio. So that's why I ended up picking up this, the Ulanzi extender here, okay? Now, it dawned on me that I want to also be able to take really good stationary footage for you guys here. But if I'm using the Smooth Q gimbal, that footage is going to be way punched in because I have to put it here and I have to shoot up there, and that footage is a little bit, it's in too close, alright? And there's only so much table I have to work with at my desk here. So I tried to use it with my Ongo production kit, but this whole setup all together on top of the Ongo production kit is a little bit too heavy, so it didn't work out. So I'm laying in bed one evening, because you guys and gals know your boy don't sleep good. That's why if you ever wondered why I'm so quick to reply back to questions in the comments, because your boy don't sleep. I have sleep problems. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm laying in bed one evening and I'm like, okay, I gotta solve this. But I've already put a lot of money into this gimbal, including getting the gimbal itself, and I'm sitting there perusing Amazon, and I'm like, I want to get a reinforced tripod, but I don't want to go over a certain amount of money, because I'm not trying to spend more than $100, everything included, with the gimbal and the accessories. Because to me, if you go over $100 for something like this, you're getting a little bit expensive, and it doesn't even include the purchase of the device, okay? So didn't want to cross over $100 when I was getting the gimbal or its associated accessories. So I'm perusing Amazon. I was perusing Amazon for like an hour, and I came across this, the ADAI extended pole with tripod. Alright, and I'm like, this might be perfect. And this bad boy ran me about $21. It was about $20.99, so you can call it $21 just to make it easy. And I'm like, cool. So this was around Friday, right? And this is now Sunday. It is now Sunday what? Sunday, November 3rd. So I'm gonna try and get this edited and get it up for y'all before the end of the day, because I still got some free time here. So we're going to make this happen. So I picked it up on Friday. It came today on Sunday. And that's how this video came about. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions of yet another accessory for my Smooth Cube gimbal. Now, as I always do, I already cut all the tapes and seals off camera just to alleviate the struggles and make this whole process a little bit quicker. So let's go. Now, starting off, talking about the packaging, ADAI, y'all could have done some minimal branding on here, because we just get a plain white box, no logos, no contact information, no nothing. Just super plain white box, and that's pretty much it. So inside of one box, we have the grip itself, and this also extends. I'll show y'all in a second. Okay, so nothing else in the box there. Throw this off to the side. And then inside of the other box here, we have the tripod portion itself. Okay, and again, nothing else in the box. So let's get this out of here. Boom. All right, so pulling this out, pull this out the plastic here. First impressions of the grip / extender. I really do like the materials that are used here. Nice grippy rubberized plastic used on this one, and you can see it's a nice, well-crafted extender pole with a really nice thread. And you have a thread there so you can attach something, and you have a thread here so you can attach it to something. So that's really nice. I like that. And this is made out of aluminum, so really, really cool to the touch up here. Really solid. I like the overall grip extender portion of this. Alright, next, let's get into the tripod portion. So take this out the plastic. Throw that off to the side. Boom. Alright, making a mess over there. This is the tripod portion here, and again, it's also made out of aluminum, so this is really, really nice, and it just opens up like this. Okay, so essentially what you do with this setup here is you screw the tripod portion onto the bottom of the extender pole like so, and you just want to tighten it till it's snug. You don't want to overstrip the screws or the thread, so you just tighten it till it's snug and it locks into place, and then you're ready to go. You mount up your gimbal on here and you're in business. Also, what's nice with this is this also extends. So you can see you got full extension with this. So if you needed to get some different levels or levels, and you wanted to get a nice high angle, you could do that with this. So this is perfect for stationary footage, okay? And you can see it easily opens up, 3 clicks, and you can open it up, collapse it back down, 3 clicks in, and we in business. So super easy to use, no muss, no fuss to it. And if you guys and gals checked out the opening portion of this video, y'all can see what it looks like fully extended. So really good stuff there. Other than that, to mount it to the gimbal, you just take the gimbal like so, you screw it in. Let me try not to scratch the metal. You screw it in like so. And again, you want to make it so it's nice and snug. You don't want to overstrip the screw, and you don't want to overstrip the thread. Alright, and then just like that, you now open up the tripod here, and we're in business. So if I put this down, this is what this looks like. And then if I go ahead and give y'all a nice little wide angle on this, so y'all can see what everything looks like. Let me position this up so it doesn't slide off the table. So really good solid base. And now let's go ahead and pan out here and let y'all see what it looks like. Hold on, y'all. Ride with me for a second here. So if we pan out here, whoops, and we pan up. All right. Technical difficulties on here. Alright, so there we go. So pan out, pan up, and this is what, my bad y'all, I accidentally pushed the power button on my device, so this will be cut into 2. But yeah, y'all can see pretty much if you check out the first portion, you can see it looks really good all together. So I'm not going to try and back out again because I don't want to cut this video up too much. I'm not a big fan of having a lot of cuts. But yeah, first impressions of the whole setup all together, I have to say that it's really, really nice. Now I can shoot portable footage, photos, or video, and I can shoot nice stationary photos or video if I need to. So really, really good. And again, the total for all of this is really nice. So all together, including the Ulanzi extender, which was about 13 bucks, I think. I have the screenshot up in post, including the ADAI extender pole and tripod, which was about $21, and the gimbal itself, I'd say all in we're at about $84 and change, $85. So really, really good stuff, because as I said, I didn't really want to break the bank when I was thinking about picking up this gimbal. And now, because all these accessories are universal, even if I decide not to keep this gimbal and I move on to something else, I already have the needed accessories if I want to do different types of things. So that's really, really nice. Anyways, guys and gals, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the ADAI tripod extender pole for any gimbal. Alright, and once again, I apologize for that cut in the video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, as always, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, as always, all the links to everything that I featured in this video will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today, for this video, I used the rear-facing 16 megapixel camera on the Bold N1 to record this video footage for you guys and gals, and all the audio for this video was recorded using the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone, and this video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 frames per second. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. And as always, keep it respectful down below in the comments, y'all. Alright, have a good one, everybody, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. We out here.